Hi, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In this video, I want to show you how to fix App Store not working on your iPhone. It could be due to some network glitches, software bugs, or problems with servers of Apple. So first of all, the first thing that you should do is open your browser and type Apple System Status, and let's open this page. So this is the page where you can see how Apple services are working. Let's expand this list and find App Store. As you can see, it tells me that it's available, and the problem is definitely with your phone, not with servers. So then you have to toggle Wi-Fi on and off, and try switching between different Wi-Fi networks, or maybe try your cellular data to refresh your connection. And then the common fix, how you can fix App Store not working, let's open Settings and then select General, go to Date and Time section, and from here let's make sure that Set Automatically option is enabled. Because if not, then simply App Store block connections. Then you can try force close App Store application. So simply swipe up from the bottom of your screen, and then let's reopen App Store application. Yes, and I feel like after completing those steps, if your App Store still not working, you can try restarting your iPhone and also updating your iOS to the latest version. So I feel like after completing those steps, your App Store now should work. And let me know in the comments if those methods helped you. Please like this video if you find it helpful, and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.